Hello everyone. We shall work out fourth sum of question number 1. Question was whether the decimal form is terminating or non-terminating. If it is terminating, then express in decimal form. Okay. First thing, this sum is important. Why? Because up to sum number 3, we have not carried out cancellation. It's not possible to simplify here. 5 is there, here 6, so we divided it by 5, divided by. So in the exam, in this type of question, first you try to reduce the given rational number. If possible to reduce, carry out cancellation and write in reduced form. Now pick up denominator 320. Now factorize. 320 we can factorize by vertical method like this. Okay. You know this, how to factorize. Okay. And then write the factors in power form. Here, otherwise 30 to 10, 32 is 2 raised to 5, and 10 is 2, 5. So 2 raised to 6, 5, which is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. So this number means original has a terminating decimal expansion. As it has a terminating decimal expansion, we would express in decimal form. For that, we take this simplified form. Factor of 320 is 2 raised to 6, 5, 3 upon this one. Here 2 raised to 6, here 5, 1. To transfer denominator into 10, 5 raised to 6. To make 5 raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 5. So numerator 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 5 is 3125. 5 raised to 5 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 5 times. Okay. Here 2 raised to 6, 5 raised to 6, which is equal to 10 raised to 6. Multiply and 10 left. So put decimal place after how many digits? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal 0. So we express given number in the decimal form. Now next sum is 29. 3, 4, 3. 29, 3, 4, 3. First. 3, 4, 3 is equal to 7 cube, which is not of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Therefore, 29 upon 3, 4, 3 does not have a terminating decimal expansion. Understood? If this number has no terminating decimal expansion, how can we express in the decimal form? Okay, so here come to end of our fifth sum. Understood? Let's we go into sixth sum. The question of sixth sum is 23. Two cube 5 square. Very easy. Factor of q is given. Here we can write 2 cube 5 square is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Therefore, 23 upon as a terminating decimal terminating decimal expansion. If it is a terminating decimal expansion, then we shall try to express in decimal 23 upon 2 cube 5 square. Here 5 square 2 cube means we need 10 raised to 3, so that we shall multiply it by 5. 23 5 is 115 and 2 cube 5 cube, which is 10 cube. So 115 upon 1000, 0.115. Okay. First write the question, pick up denominator. Directly we can say it is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. So which has a terminating decimal expansion. Okay. This much steps, these two steps are for question number 1. Now 23 upon 2 cube 5 square is equal to 23 into 5. 2 cube 5 square 5, because 5 square here 3, which is maximum power 3. So multiplied by 5. So numerator by 5, multiply 5 cube. So 10 cube, 115,000. Decimal place after 3, 1, 2, 3. So 0.115. Okay.